Join me as I challenge myself to capture the most stunning shots using the new OM5 Mark II and see how it revolutionizes my photography game. The OM5 Mark II is more than just a new camera, it's a game changer in the world of photography. With its innovative features and cutting-edge technology, it's set to revolutionize the way we capture images. In this video, we're going to dive into what makes this camera so special and see how it can take our photography to the next level. Photography is all about capturing life's most precious moments, but it's not always easy. As photographers, we've all been there, struggling to get the perfect shot in low-light conditions, dealing with camera shake, or trying to freeze fast-moving subjects. It can be frustrating, to say the least. But what if I told you there's a way to overcome these challenges and take your photography skills to new heights? Capturing high-quality images, especially in dynamic environments, can be a real challenge. Whether it's shooting in low light, dealing with camera shake, or trying to freeze fast-moving subjects, it's easy to get discouraged. But what if you had a camera that could help you overcome these obstacles and take stunning shots with ease? That's exactly what the OM5 Mark II offers, a chance to take your photography skills to the next level and capture images that will leave everyone in awe. From weddings to sports events, and from landscapes to portraits, photography is all about capturing life's most precious moments. But it's not just about pointing and shooting, it's about telling a story, evoking emotions, and creating a connection with your audience. And that's exactly what the OM5 Mark II is designed to do. The OM5 Mark II addresses these challenges head-on with its advanced stabilization system, low-light performance, and versatility. With this camera, you can shoot in any environment, no matter the lighting conditions, and get stunning results every time. Whether you're a professional photographer or just starting out, this camera is designed to help you take your skills to the next level and capture images that will leave everyone in awe. One of the most impressive features of the OM5 Mark II is its stabilization system. Say goodbye to camera shake and hello to smooth, crisp footage that will leave your viewers mesmerized. Whether you're shooting handheld or using a tripod, this camera's advanced stabilization system ensures that your footage is always smooth and steady. And then there's its low-light performance. We've all been there, trying to capture a shot in a dimly lit room or at dusk, only to end up with a noisy or grainy image. But with the OM5 Mark II, you can say goodbye to those days. Its advanced sensor and low-light optimization ensure that you can capture stunning images even in the most challenging lighting conditions. But what really sets the OM5 Mark II apart is its versatility. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or sports events, this camera is designed to adapt to any situation. With its advanced autofocus system, you can focus on your subject with ease, and its advanced video capabilities ensure that you can capture stunning footage that will leave your viewers mesmerized. From sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits, the OM5 Mark II is capable of capturing it all. Check out these stunning examples of photography taken with this camera, and see for yourself why it's set to revolutionize the world of photography. From the majestic mountains to the bustling streets of the city, this camera is capable of capturing it all. Whether you're shooting in 4K or capturing stunning stills, the OM5 Mark II is designed to help you tell your story and evoke emotions in your audience. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the OM5 Mark II is more than just a camera, it's a game changer. It's a tool that's designed to help you take your photography skills to the next level and capture images that will leave everyone in awe. In conclusion, the OM5 Mark II is a game changer in the world of photography. With its innovative features and cutting-edge technology, it's set to revolutionize the way we capture images. From its advanced stabilization system to its low-light performance and versatility, this camera is designed to help you take your skills to the next level and capture stunning images that will leave everyone in awe. What do you think about the OM5 Mark II? Have you had a chance to try it out? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's start a conversation. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more photography-related content and behind-the-scenes peeks into my creative process. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.